So for today's makeup, I decided, collect yourself. So for today's makeup, initially was supposed to be like a rainbow theme makeup, but I felt like a birthday confetti sprinkles kind of makeup suited the title more. So yeah. So to color correct my acne scars, I'm going to be using this peach shade right here. So for my concealer, I'm going to do two things. I'm going to be taking my Etude concealer, which is a lot lighter than my Tom Ford concealer. What I'm going to do is, for the lighter concealer, I'm going to just do it under my eye. And then for the acne scars and other spots, I'm going to be using the Tom Ford one because this is closer to my actual skin tone. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some fake lashes first, and then I'm going to show you how I do my eyeliner. What I do now is just literally grab that same small that felt tip brush and just dip it in the face paint color, and I'm just gonna draw dots all across my face now. So I usually cut my lashes like because they're too long and I have leftovers, and I cut them up to pieces and I use them for the lower lash. I just think they look really cute. So what I do is I just grab a little bit of the, what do you call it, lash glue. And so what you want to do is the part where it's the lash band. Just want to dip it a little bit in glue. Wait for it to dry a little bit, and then you just want to stick it onto the into the inner part of my lips.